Hello, my name is Jessica Burke. I'm a senior industrial engineer at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and this is my senior project titled Sky CSR. The agenda for this quick presentation is as follows. First will be the introduction to the topic. Second is the background. Third will be the literature review, and finally my methodology and the next steps of the project. The introduction. Yelling is an exceptionally good motivator. A pilot at the end of an extensive day can be cranky and easily set off by some of the most minor of details. On one particular day, the detail was a late taxi, resulting in the pilot yelling at the front desk for being incompetent. This outburst was the end result of communication errors that snowballed out of control, culminating in a furious customer and a distraught customer service representative. The catch is that this isn't just a one-time offense. Miscommunication is rampant throughout the aviation world. In the private and general aviation sector, inbound airplanes rely on Unicom frequencies or global communication surveys to relay messages to ground support at their arrival airport. Frequently, these messages get lost in translation due to a number of limitations, ranging from inattentive ground support to technological restraints such as the frequency being bounced to a different arrival airport or not making it past physical barriers such as mountain ranges. So why is it important that we address this? Well, if we miss a call from an inbound flight, we risk delaying them on the ground, and a delay on the ground is wasted money. There is no other industry on earth that exemplifies the statement time is money better than that of aviation. According to Avinode, a leader in jet charter, the most popular model of private jet in 2012 was the Citation XL, XLS, XLS Plus, which took off 144,302 times at the rate of $3,388 per hour. In a business where it costs nearly $57 per minute to keep the engines running, efficiency and streamlining the process is held at the topmost priority, which is why minimal movement and efficiency is the top goal for all ground services. My key deliverables will be 1. Investigating the most efficient means of communication between ground support and inbound aircraft, which will ultimately minimize the total idle and wait time of the aircraft. My second will be to determine the most efficient orientation of resources for ground support equipment so that the travel distance by ground service workers and equipment is minimized. My third is to propose a possible alternative using cell phone and application technology. For my literature review, I used triage examples. Similar to the way a doctor must determine the order of care for patients in the emergency room, so must ground service providers determine the customers who need the most attention and allocate the resources as new needs become known. In the Part 135 world, a passenger aboard a private jet pays top dollar for high-quality treatment and beyond exceptional customer service. Onboard customers expect no TSA, no wait for the plane, speedy arrivals, quick refuelings, cars pull around, exquisite catering, and no shortage of luxury. In a 2011 survey conducted by the Aviation International News, 1,500 pilots were asked the question, what makes an FBO excellent? Of the responses gathered, 20% of the words included like quick, prompt, and efficient, while an additional 15% included attitude, friendly, and courteous, highlighting the factors of an excellent FBO and the duality of a business that must not only bring top quality customer satisfaction, but also responsiveness and efficient attentiveness with the very restricted resources. My next steps will be to conduct a pilot survey. The survey will be administered to a control group of pilots at the San Luis Obispo Airport. Second will be route mapping, the route that the ground service technicians use to fulfill an order from when the task is put in or when the order is put in until it is complete. And finally, and the most important, is the web application, which will be the heart of the project. And it's the application that will allow pilots to schedule an arrival of a specific airplane with specific instructions on ground services needed. Thank you for listening to my time. I look forward to any comments and feedback. Thank you.